What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Joseph VT bringing you guys another video. So obviously today we have the new iPad. This is the 11-inch 64 gig, so the lowest model, the lowest screen size for the new iPad. You can go all the way up to, I believe, like 2 terabytes or something like that. And then obviously you can get the 12.9 inch. So I'll open it up here. They got this neat little pull tab that they have on all their new products for a new experience, I guess. I don't know. Move all that out of the way. There we go. Obviously that's just the top of the box. The iPad right here. I got it in space gray, so that's pretty cool. We'll lay that off to the side for right now. See what's inside. So you get all your paperwork like you usually do. So nothing too impressive. New this year, which is awesome, is they have USB to USB Type-C on both ends, which is unbelievably awesome, which obviously means there's a new charging brick that is USB Type-C, which is even better. So now you have better connectability to everything that you are using. So for the moment of truth, popping this sucker open. There we go, guys. That's what it looks like. Obviously, this is the whole new and improved iPad. Let's see if it has any juice in it. Oh, it does. Turn on. So basically, to go around the device to see what we got on here, you got your 2 speaker ports right here. You have your USB Type-C. On the left side, you have absolutely nothing besides your little SIM card. Or actually, no, that's IR thing, I believe. Then up top, you have your speakers again, plus your awake, not awake and awake button. And then on the right side here, you just have your volume up and down. Then on the back, you just have your normal camera. Then, if you guys can see, the antenna band right there. If you got basically the cellular version. Then on the back here, you just have the symbol. Obviously it says iPad. Then you have your quick connect buttons right here. So what is very new and something I do not have yet is the Apple Pencil. So the Apple Pencil basically connects right here. I probably should have said that's right here. But there's a little thingy right here. Let me see if I can. There it is right there. This is where the Apple Pencil will connect. So all it is a big magnet and it sticks right there. From what I was told, it works pretty well. They've, I guess other reviewers that I have watched videos on say that when they were at the event, they could shake it pretty hard and it wouldn't fall off. So it's not one of those where it magnetizes and if you shake it too hard it falls off, or if you pick it up and it just falls off. So we'll test it out once I get the Apple Pencil. It's not released yet at this point in time, so we'll see what is going on there. As you guys can see, there is no home button on this sucker. Then all you have at the very top, if I can show this, if the camera will pick it up, but I don't think it is because it's pretty faint. You have your forward-facing camera right here. So basically, that is the unboxing, guys, of this. It looks absolutely beautiful. It actually feels like a high-quality device compared to the previous iPad Pros, the second generations, which is what I have. I have the 12.9 inch one, but I really like the feel of this one. I was debating between the 12.9 and the 11th inch, and I think I went the right route with the 11 inch. It's pretty big. It's definitely a good handful. I imagine having the 12.9, that's a beefy thing. You're basically buying a laptop, not knowing that you're buying a laptop. But we'll have to test this out in some videos and see how fast it really is. basically everything is from the previous generation, just all of it's improved a lot more. But there you go, guys. Check out another video. I'll go more in depth. I'll have this thing all set up for you guys. But there you go. There's the unboxing of the new 11-inch iPad from Apple. Thank you, guys. Peace.